The BHA InJecta system has been designed specifically for use with encapsulated biological and chemical products. The InJecta system provides fast and efficient delivery of capsule products into tree stems. To open the head unit, fully withdraw the drill bit to the rear position. Then pull the knob at the front of the InJecta head unit to open the head mechanism. The magazine can then be removed. The BHA InJecta magazine is designed to hold 30 BHA capsules and sealing plugs. These are loaded in tandem into each of the 30 chambers. Note that the magazine has 31 chambers. The chamber in the central position must remain empty to allow for the initial drilling action. The inner section rotates in a clockwise direction. The first step is to flip open the magazine lid and then position the inner section to center the hole at position 1. Next, load the wooden plugs singularly into each of the 30 chambers, keeping position number 1 empty. Do the same for the capsules, loading them singularly into each of the 30 chambers on top of the plugs. Again, keep position number 1 empty. You should now have all 30 positions filled, showing the capsules with the wooden plugs below them. Again, position number 1 should be empty. Close the lid firmly, it should click shut. Note that plugs are visible at the rear of the magazine with position number 1 empty. Fully withdraw the drill bit to the rear position, otherwise the unit cannot be opened. Pull the knob at the front of the InJecta head to open the head mechanism. Place the loaded magazine unit onto the spindle with the lid facing forward and matching the location of risers with the cutouts. Close the front. The magazine should now be firmly engaged and the drill bit can be pushed forward through the empty chamber at position number 1. Hold the InJecta unit by the D handle with the drill pulled back slightly. This retracts the drill bit behind the pointed locator pins. Push the pointed locator pins on the front of the InJecta unit firmly into the tree stem to provide sufficient grip. This can be done with a slight jabbing motion. While pushing the D handle forward, firmly towards the tree, drill into the stem until full depth is achieved with a clearing action. Whilst maintaining forward pressure on the D handle, withdraw the drill bit clear of the hole and then stop drilling. The head unit should remain firmly pushed against the tree. Whilst maintaining forward pressure on the D handle, gently pull back on the drill unit to engage the magazine. A clicking noise will be heard. This will rotate the chamber 1 position to load the plug and capsule into the correct position. Whilst the drill is stationary, gently push the drill forward to insert the capsule and the plug into the drilled hole with a slight tamping motion. It is not necessary to drive the plug deeply into the tree. This will reduce the success of the treatment by compressing the capsule. The InJecta unit can now be removed from the tree. The plug should now be firmly placed and visible slightly above or level with the surface of the drill hole. Placement of capsules into the tree is dependent upon tree size and number of stems. For BHA chemical herbicides, this is a dose-dependent process. Capsules can be placed in the stem at any height above ground level, provided that they are below any major branching points. The dose required per tree stem is 1 capsule per 10 centimeters of stem circumference. Please consult the dosing chart for more details. Stem circumference can be determined with a tape measure, or a ready guide stick can be simply made using wooden dowel and 4-inch nails, spaced according to the maximum diameter for each dose level. Multiple doses may be distributed every 10 centimeters in a ring around the stem. For 2 doses, place capsules on opposite sides of the stem. For 3, space in thirds, and so on. Correct and equal spacing maximizes the distribution of chemical herbicide around the trunk. For multiple stem targets, each stem emerging from the ground should be treated individually according to size. BHA biological products are not dose dependent in the same way as chemical herbicide products. Please consult the dosing chart for biological products. The BHA biological agents create an infection process once inserted into the tree. Therefore, a single capsule is sufficient to cause disease and eventual death of the treated plant. Please note, the products must be applied according to product label instructions.